Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, it's JJ. Once again, we back at it. It's Tuesday. Oh, so what are we gonna do today? It's raining. Just came from the bank, paying bills. I always like to pay my bills early. So when I start the month off, I'm starting off good and ahead. But it's raining, and man, it rains. It just it makes you not want to do anything, and then when it rains, it definitely slows down the business a lot. I mean, especially like when you're a small lot, and when you're a major big dealership, it doesn't slow your business down as much. I mean, when I worked at a major dealership, it didn't slow the business down as much. But being here that we're small, it's been slowing down for much. Let's see what my buddy Carlos is calling about. Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, brother, how you doing?
Oh no, I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing great, man. I'm actually had an appointment this morning, and me and my wife, now we out here in this garden. But I was gonna hit you back because you said you're trying to come by the shop.
Yeah, I was gonna come by if you was there. I mean, if you're not there, I can come by and meet you one of these days. It's not a big deal,
Oh, yeah, I'll be there probably about an hour.
Okay.
If you the neighborhood deal, I'll be there in an hour.
Yeah, I'll probably swing by.
Yeah, how's everything going with you?
Everything is going good. Just wanted to come by and holler at you about a little bit of stuff that I didn't know about. So just wanted to get some good information. Carlos, we here at Carlos in the building. We're gonna do more of a sit down interview eventually later, and for you guys. But we just got Carlos here, give you a little information.
Hey, how you doing? This is Carlos here at Ideal Car Solutions. If I would tell you anything that's in the car business right now, is I would just tell you to buy low, sell high, get yourself in the buy here, pay here position that you can actually finance, because that's where the money's at. So if you're going to keep doing those cash deals will keep you hustling day to day. And you want to get to the point where you become the bank. And when you become the bank, sky's the limit. That's what I want to tell you. That's my note.
That's what Carlos got for you guys. But I'll come do a sit down more interview with Carlos one of these days. It's gonna be available exclusively on my Patreon. So if you want to sign up, it's $5 to sign up, and it's $5 a month. And Carlos, we're gonna be talking more in depth, and he'll be giving some more information about the car business, buy here, pay here, and about the real estate game. So if you haven't signed up yet, the interview is gonna be coming. But link for my Patreon will be in the description. And we're about to let Carlos finish doing his thing. You got somebody to interview, so we're about to head out here and go to the auction and see what they're gonna be having tomorrow. Had a nice little sit down with Carlos. We're gonna talk with him a little bit more. Probably one of these days, but he had an interview. But yeah, we're gonna talk to him one of these days more. But I'm gonna just drive down here on 29th Street and just let you know how saturated the Oklahoma car market is. It's like here on 29th Street, there's so many car lots. You guys gonna see. It's crazy amount of car lots. So let's get to it. And I'm gonna just drive down and just let you guys see like how many car lots there is out here on 29th Street. And Southeast 29th Street is the same way as Northwest 39th Street here in Oklahoma. These are like the two major streets where it's like basically like they call it tote to note area. It's just car lot after car lot after car lot after car lot after car lot. It's just ridiculous. It's so many car lots on these streets that you don't even know like where the next car lots begin. That's just like how crazy it is. Just gonna show you guys that like it's so many car lots on the street. So you guys always be wondering like why I buy certain type of cars and stuff like that. It's just like I said, the market is so saturated that it's just so many car lots that it's just crazy. Like look at we about to start seeing car lot after car lot after car lot. So, and this ain't even gonna be all the way down 29th Street. So you already got car lot right there. You got a bigger one across the street, but you got one right there. We about to drive down 29th Street, and y'all about to see like how many car lots it is. It's just ridiculous. Look at that car lot. look at all this competition that you have to deal with. Car lot stacked on top of lot, on top of lot, empty lot, another lots, car lots. And that's just one part of 29th Street. So, as you see, boom, as you keep riding through, you know, it's like, it's the market here is, in Oklahoma, it's like, it's so crazy, just like how many tire shop, but then right next to the tire shop there's a car lot. Look at that. Car lot. So many, it's like I said, it's so many car lots, like they just look like they're stacked on top of each other. Car lot. Mattress sale. Boom. Now you drive down, here's some more. Another car lot. Look across the street, empty car lot. Look back across the street, car lot. It's just ridiculous, like how many car lots it is on this street. Like abandoned car lot, somebody be moving in there shortly. Car lot, another one. Look at that. Just so there's so much competition here. It's crazy. Look, more car lot. Look at that. That's what I said, when there's so many car lots that you don't even know which one end and then the next one begins. Cause look at that. Just, you don't even know when the next one ends or begins. They're so stacked on top of each other. You just, you know, and this is just on one side of 29. It's not even counting the other part of 29. Look at that. Another empty lot. Another lot. Lots. More. Look at that. We're still coming down here to more. The city. Lots. More car lots. It's crazy. We still got some more to come. So, you know, empty lots over there. That'll be car lots filled up here in a second. Look at that. Mechanics needed. Look at that. Lots. More car lots. Car lot there. Car lot there. Over here. More lots. Look at that. They call themselves Dream Auto Sale. They trying to take my name. More lots. It's car lot mania here, man, in Oklahoma, man. It's, you know, more lots. But yeah, that's just some of the lots here on 29. So as you can see, as we took the little drive, man, it's a ton of car lots here in Oklahoma. It's a crazy amount, you know. Every street is a lot. Luckily, the street I'm on is I'm the only one on this like main street, so I'm the only one. But as soon as you go hit down the street, the stoplight, look left, look right, it's a lot of car lots there. And then as you see, like on 29th Street, as you see, it's car lots on top of car lots on top of car lots. So when people ask, and y'all sometimes see like why I bought these type of cars or buy like the cars that doesn't always look the best, it's like sometimes you know you have to find your own market and, you know, be able to buy and sell cars, you know, and just be able to make money. But as long as you're turning a profit, that's the main thing that happens, you know. As people like you, and you also have to know your market, you know. Every state is different, you know. Here, like I said, here in Oklahoma, the market is so many car lots here because we have probably like the easiest rules to open a car lot. And you know, the cars that we buy, you know, you don't have to have any inspections on them. So as you know, it's just so easy to get into this business. So you'll see car lots, people can open a car lot here so quickly. So it's crazy. So, you know, when I buy certain cars, not just because that's what I want to buy. It's just, you know, sometimes you just buy what you can get, and, you know, you turn and sell until, you know, you figure out, you know, what direction and plans you want to go into. You know, you can stay selling cash cars or move to finance. And, you know, I'm still working on my plan, you know, trying to perfect things on how I want to make it, how I want the thing to make this thing go. But yeah, you know, we're gonna go here to the auction, you know, and get a little walk around at the auction, see what they're gonna have. You know, it's a little bit early, so you know it's not gonna be that many cars up there, but you know the salesman is light. You know, they usually run 700 cars a week, but you know they're probably gonna have like somewhere 500, so it's probably gonna be a light sale. And I'll probably just give you guys, instead of Wednesday walk around, I'll probably just give you guys some auction footage to let you know what the prices of some of this stuff are going for tomorrow at the auction. But let's get to it. You know, back here at the auction where we always belong, the transport and dropping off vehicles. I always thought about, you know, doing vehicle transports, like, and do they make money? Like if you like bought a truck and like had like a 4-car hauler and just did like transports for like dealership, pretty sure you'll make some good money, because I know they be paying like 300 the delivery, sometimes more. You know, you can get you a nice truck, about a 3-car hauler on there, and just like haul for like these dealerships, or you know, like for the auction. I'm pretty sure you'll make a killing. Probably sure insurance is probably expensive for something like that, and you know, but it don't seem like it's that difficult. I mean, you know, as long as you're not dealing with any crazy driving, like, you know, have to probably go to like Arizona through the mountains and stuff, and like California. As long as you probably got to go up states like New York and stuff, you probably won't be too bad. You know, if you like, if like for me, like I was just doing it for like from Oklahoma to like Texas, and then like when I drop something off in Texas, pick something off in Texas, and bring it back, you know, probably wouldn't even be that bad, honestly. Okay. As I see they filling up. How you doing?
I got you. Okay.
Oh. Okay. Filling up. Trucks on top of trucks. It's truck world around here. Truck country, as they call us. That's all you can always see at the auction. There's plenty of trucks. Me. See, fleet trucks, because you know a lot of these trucks are fleet trucks. And like I said, you know, when they come in the color white, man, them is those fleet trucks. But as you can see, you just get a quick little walk around through here. Oh man, notice a nice Mercedes right there. These are the only Mercedes I would ever buy if I was to buy one. It has to have the emblem and the grill. It's a nice car though, but not looking to buy that right now. Just okay, so got a couple Mercedes going through. What's going on? People trading in their Mercedes, getting rid of it. Got one right there. Where are they trading them into? Okay, they're trading them into Bob Moore Land Rovers. Okay, so people are trading in their Mercedes for Land Rovers. And I don't know why I wouldn't trade my Mercedes in for no Land Rover, honestly, in my opinion. Okay, that one's okay. They probably traded that in for a new Infiniti. Traded that in for an Infiniti. They traded, don't tell me they traded the Lexus in for an Infiniti. I definitely would never do that. Go from this nice Lexus to an Infiniti, never would do that. Definitely a trade in the Cadillac for an Infiniti, though. Wouldn't trade in my Lexus, though. Okay. Just wanted to do a quick little walkthrough. See what they got. Probably gonna have around, probably say 500 cars are probably gonna be the max as I see for right now. But you know, look like they got a good amount of stuff. Look, hopefully I'll be able to find a couple of deals, but we'll definitely going to see what tomorrow's deals are like. You know, I always like to look at a couple cars, about 5, 6, you know, kind of gives me idea if the prices are still going to be high. But you know, they're talking about probably giving out a second stimulus check, so if they do that, then you know the price is going to be even higher, because you know everybody going to raise the price up, basically like a second coming of tax season. So it's just going to be, prices are going to get even higher. But you know, appreciate all you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Give you some auction footage, let you guys see about some of these crazy prices, and see what y'all think. Would y'all pay them crazy prices that's going to be going on tomorrow for these vehicles? But as you can see, it's about to rain again, like it does, just off and on here. Just, you know, weather just changes all the time. So, but it's about to storm, so I'm probably about to get home. You know, go pick up my kids and get home. Peace. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Thank you. All this love and support. Peace.